Hello everyone, I am Saidit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I to do the CPU throttling test comparison between all of this Dimensity 1200 chipsets comparison. Yes friends, right now I do have the Realme X1 Max, Poco F3 GT and OnePlus Nord 2 device. The OnePlus Nord 2 has got the AI chipset which is quite kind of close to each other only when compared with other Dimensity 1200, but this is something which you should know before actually starting the test. So first thing is that let's see, I'll try to use the game turbo mode and I'll try to use the game space mode just to see how well these phones will be able to perform in terms of the CPU throttling test. So this request has come from plenty of subscribers asking me to use the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max and in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So why not use even high performance mode in this Poco F3 GT? So I'll try to show you friends how you can actually enable this high performance mode in this one. So first let me try to turn on the high performance mode in this one and try to use the gain space. So right now high performance mode turned on. Complete background application is completely clean in this phone. Next same thing applies to the OnePlus Nord 2. So since the OnePlus Nord 2 has ColorOS plus OxygenOS mixing, you'll get the similar kind of options from the Realme X1 Max and this phone. So both phones high performance mode turned on. In the Poco F3 GT, you can add the high performance mode. I'll try to show you exactly by going into the game turbo. Yes, you should go to the game turbo, and once you open this game space, and I'll try to show you exact. And then you need to add the CPU throttling application into the game turbo. So once you add those, now you'll be having the option which is called the high quality. If you try to tap on the small arrow mark, by default it will be default only, and save power, balanced and high quality. Okay, so now you need to select to the high quality. When you try to select the custom, you'll get all these kind of options. As you can see, customs, everything. I'll try to use the custom mode maybe in the next another test, but this video I'll try to use the high performance, which is a high quality test during this time of testing. And one more thing, you need to disable this kind of performance optimization as well. If you don't disable, what happens is that the performance will be limited sometimes. So I did disable that, as you can see clearly. So in this way you'll be able to enable this kind of high performance mode. So that's done, and let me try to clear everything from the background. So everything is completely clean from the background. Decrease the brightness to 50% in all the phones, and even this CPU throttling application has been added into the gain space. So all the three phones were added into the gain space CPU throttling application. Let me try to show you friends. So yep, as you can see, so game turbo, yeah, as you can see friends, gain space and game turbo and this OnePlus gaming features. So everything has been added and high performance mode has been selected, and the brightness also decreased to 50%. That's the last confirmation which I want to just show you. As you can see, 50%, that's perfectly done, and the settings I'm trying to use in all the phones are completely same. 15 minutes and 100 threads, as you can see, absolutely same kind of values only I'm trying to use. This should be going to be a really kind of interesting test, because this is my first time doing this kind of test comparison side by side. So this test will be there for 15 minutes. So let me try to start the test, and then I'll try to check the temperatures, how much it is. So temperature in the Realme X1 Max is 32 degrees, as you can see, 32 degrees, and Poco F3 GT is of 33 degrees. Poco F3 GT 33 and 32, and OnePlus Nord 2 is of 32 degrees, as you can see friends, 32. My room temperature is pretty normal. It's only 30 degrees at this moment, my room temperature, as you can see friends. Sorry for that, I forgot to turn on the stopwatch, but still I just want to show you how much time it has been happened just by looking at this. So if you are unable to see this exact timings, that is the reason I thought of using the stopwatch. So at this moment, let's see the temperatures in the bottom. 33, not bad, 33 only, and 33 degrees and 33. So right now you can see the graphs and you can see the performance scores, how they are behaving. And right now at this moment, the Poco F3 GT has got the green color continuously at this moment, and you can see the difference between these two as well. So this is using the high performance mode and using the gain space. So this kind of extreme settings I can actually go and use right now in all the three smartphones. That is what I'm trying to use, just to see what will be the performance results. So this is what I'm getting friends at this moment, and in case if you want me to use any other different settings, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to help do those videos as soon as possible as per your request. Right now my main concern is about the temperatures. So which phone will be able to get what kind of high temperatures, that will be my main concern. Let's check the temperatures right now. 35 degrees, 35.2 and 35.4 and 36.6, the OnePlus Nord 2. So this is what I'm trying to look after. So which Dimensity processor in which phone can get high temperatures with this kind of extreme performance results, that is what I'm going to see. 36.8, 37.2, 37, not bad, The OnePlus Nord 2 in the first position, and Realme X1 Max is 35.4, 36.2, 37.4. Not bad. The OnePlus is doing pretty good job. So one thing is that with the OnePlus, if you see the performance, it increased again. It's increasing and it's decreasing. 3,14,000. So that's the one thing which I did observe in my previous testing as well when I did the performance CPU throttling on this OnePlus Nord 2. So I did see the temperatures higher. Yes, I did mention even in that video as well, the temperature is really high. It went up to 38.4 degrees, 38.6. That's wow. And the Poco F3 GT 36.6, not bad, 36. And Realme X1 Max 36.2. So even the Realme X1 Max used to be like this. It used to behave like the OnePlus Nord 2 in the beginning, but after this, after update and everything, the temperatures a little bit can cool down a little bit. But even now, some of the users are actually facing this kind of heating problems as well. Even some of the users, even after this kind of updates, but still. And Poco F3 GT 36.8, 38.39. Wow. The OnePlus is going to be top in terms of the temperatures, but let's see whether this phone can be in terms of the top in the performance or not. That is what I'm checking. 37 and 37 degrees in the Realme X1 Max, Poco F3 GT. So these are the temperatures, friends, for the first only 3 minutes of time, so not much. And let me check the back side. So usually back side it should be 35.6, not bad. 35.8 on the back side, 36. So 36 is the highest temperature which we did see near this camera bump, 36 degrees. And the Poco F3 GT, let me try to slowly pick the phone. I don't want to press any kind of button and stop this kind of test. And right now 36.2, not bad. 36.34, 35, 36.2. So 36.2 degrees in terms of the phone. And let's see this OnePlus Nord 2, it feels like micro oven on the back side a little bit because of the glass surface. I think maybe that is the reason why it's kind of really hot. You'll definitely feel a lot of heat. 39.6 degrees. Yes. So out of these 3 phones, the OnePlus Nord 2 gets higher temperatures within short amount of time. So 39.8. So only I can get confirmation that after doing some kind of gaming test. Yes, only after doing Genshin Impact game. So only then I'll be able to judge which phone has got what type of temperatures. So wait for that review, friends. Very soon I'll try to make that video as soon as possible for you all. So till now the OnePlus Nord 2 has got it reached above 40 degrees. This is the first phone to reach out of these 3 phones, and not bad. Poco F3 GT only 36 degrees. Realme X1 Max also 37, no problem. These 2 phones are maintaining around that only, 37 and 36, that's it. But OnePlus Nord 2 is somewhere around that. But you can see the performance scores. You can see the performance, it's really higher than these 2 phones, what you're getting the number. So maybe that might be the results why the temperatures are really higher, because of high performance. But let's see, let's not come to the conclusion. So always you need to watch the complete video, only then you will be able to come to the conclusion. So again, I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, the time is about 12 minutes of time. You can see exactly 12 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures one by one, how much it is. So I'm really interested to see the OnePlus Nord 2 temperature first, how much the phone actually reached. 40.4 degrees, 40.4. I'm just trying to look at the highest. 40.4 is a 40.6, 40.8. So 40.8 is the highest, 40.8, not bad. 40.8, it did not reach the 41 this time. So last time it did reach the 41, but 40.8 is the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Let's see the Poco F3 GT. Poco F3 GT, kya hua? I think 36 degrees, not bad. 36. So 36.6 is the highest. As you can see, friends, 36, no problems. And in the Realme X1 Max, 38.8. What? It increased. Not bad. So 38.6. So 38.8 degrees in the Realme X1 Max. As you can see, friends, the temperature increased again. So 40.8, 38.8 and 36.6. You can see the temperatures readings between all of these 3 phones with the same Dimensity 1200 and slightly AI in this phone. So 38 degrees on the back side, 38.2. Let's see the matte is higher or gloss is higher. So gloss is 36.4 and the matte is 36.4. Both are kind of same. So 38 degrees on the back side, friends, of this Realme X1 Max, and the front is of 38.6 degrees. Even the Realme X1 Max is also getting heat, and 38.8 degrees. That's kind of a thing. And let's see what this Poco F3 GT is hiding behind. I think the only 36.4, no problem, 36.4 degrees on the back side, 36.4, 36.6. And let's see what about the OnePlus Nord 2. The test is about to complete. So finally, the OnePlus Nord 2 can relax and cool down. So 40 degrees on the back side, and front side is of 40.6. Oh my god, that's kind of huge. As you can see, friends, 40. No words for me on this OnePlus Nord 2. I think the test has been completed successfully in all the 3 smartphones. As you can see, friends, exactly these are the scores which we got. So now it's time to compare the results. Which phone has got what type of results? So we got to know one thing. The temperature is really high in the OnePlus Nord 2, then in the Realme X1 Max, and then in the Poco F3 GT. So these are how the temperatures are. So if the temperature is high, that means the performance is really high. That is the one thing you should know about. And now let's see which CPU total up to what kind of percentage. So 70% total, as you can see in the OnePlus Nord 2. I'm going to slightly increase the brightness so you'll be able to see 70%, and 73%, not bad. As you can see, 73%, not bad at all. And next is 92%, not at all bad. But you need to check out the scores. Try to see the performance scores, how much it is. So in the Realme X1 Max, we got about 2,63,000 is the maximum, and in the Poco F3 GT, 2,63,000. That's kind of really same. And then we need to check the average. What is average? 2,51,000 and 2,32,000 in terms of totaling. As you can see, friends, exactly what is happening. And the lowest is 2,33,000 in the lowest in the Realme X1 Max. If you try to use a gain space, and if you try to use a high performance in the Realme X1 Max, this will be the result of the graph. This is a graph, and it's my dream, I think, to see this kind of complete green in the Realme X1 Max. Till now, I did not see this kind of green. No, I did not see. I'll try to show you all the proof. I did not see your friends. So just I want to share my experience with you all. Let me try to show you. This is the experience before. This is the experience before. This one time, even when I use the gain space and throttling, then gain space and using the high performance, these are the results. So if you use a gain space and high performance, maybe you might get this kind of experience in the Realme X1 Max. That's the one thing. As you can see. So overall, these are the results when compared with the side by side. And let's take a look at the OnePlus Nord 2. I think the OnePlus Nord 2 is a winner in terms of having the maximum score, 3,29,000. That's kind of really higher than these two phones. That's kind of huge. And the average score went up to 278 average. That is also higher than these two phones. Oh my god, that's also higher. That's really great to see. And the minimum is 2,13,000. You can see the scores side by side comparing. As you can see how they are behaving. As you can see, friends, the OnePlus Nord 2, maybe I need to again check on the performance, but I'm not sure, but I'll definitely try to focus. So these are the settings. If you try to use a high performance, then the result will come in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, but the temperature will definitely get higher and higher. And one more thing, I'm not sure because of the backside surface or what, you do feel really high temperatures every time. When you're trying to hold the phone, you will definitely feel the phone is getting warmer and warmer near this camera part. Yes, the OnePlus users. So you just need to be aware of that problem. So thank you for watching this video, friends. And the next video, I'll try to do different kind of comparisons. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos, and don't forget to check the playlist in case if you have any other doubts. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.